Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar G-Eazy Fever Dream. We're gonna look at this song that has two parts, the verse and the chorus play only. And we're gonna do that without any capo. So we're going clean and we're gonna dive right into the chords. And I believe there are 5. So let's take a look at C major first. And that goes 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, open B, and open E. Next chord is C. What you do there from C major is just to add the 1st fret on B string. Everything else is the same, and that gives us 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We move on here with the A minor, and that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. We have the F major 7. That goes 3rd on D, 2nd on G, 1st B, and open E. And then finally we have the G. You play 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Alright, so we're gonna look at the verse play now, and you're gonna alternate the first chords there, the C major and the F major. You're going back and forth with these two chords. And if you noticed, I played with a picking style here. You can do the downs and ups as well, but we have certain notes to emphasize here. And I have better control to do that with the picking style, okay? So I pick the strings I need to. You can do it with downs and ups as well, but when you do the downs, then you really have to go down and play the last string on the notes you want to emphasize. So it's a little trickier to get it right there, but anyway, it's up to you. Let's take a look at the strumming. So you're gonna start with C major, grab that chord, and one string around will be down, up, clap, down, clap. So we have two different parts here. We're gonna start with the down, up, clap. So that's the first part. And the second part will be down, clap. So if we connect these two parts to each other, it will be down, up, clap, down, clap. That's one string around. And a couple rounds. Alright, so we have notes we want to emphasize, and yeah, on the C major, you're going to start with that. On the first down, you want to emphasize the open G string. So, and then you continue with up clap, and then on the next down, you want to emphasize the open B string, and then you continue with up down clap. And that is one string around for C major. You're gonna play one string around for C major and then one string around for F major. And for F major now, you want to emphasize the 2nd fret G string on the first down, and that's it. So, okay. And yeah, that is one round in the verse play. Like I said, I picked those strings, so I have control on what string I'm playing. So the bass string here in this case for C major is the A string, so 3rd A string. And for F major, it's the D string. You want to pick the bass strings for each and every note you want to emphasize together with that. So for C major, and then for F major, that is one string around. You play that for 8 rounds, and that is your verse play. Over now to chorus, and for you to understand where we are, we're about 45 seconds into the song. That's the part where this girl sings, and I really like the vibes there. Some old school 40s or 50s, I'm not sure, but anyway, sounds like that vibe in this song. So this is the first time chorus happens, and we're gonna play a new string pattern. So grab the first chord, which is the C. So C, and then you're gonna play down, clap, down. That is one string around. So down, clap, down. And a couple of rounds. right, so we're ready for this chorus. And you're gonna play one string around for the following chords: C, A minor, F major, and G. In that order, and that is one round. You're gonna play it for 8 rounds. So let's go for a couple rounds. Again, C, A minor, F, G. 8 rounds of that, and that is your first chorus. And from now on, it's just repetition. Second verse played in the exact same way as the first one, and the second chorus as well, played in the same way as we just learned it. After the second chorus, we have just the outro left, and it fades out with the chorus play. So you just continue with C, A minor, F major, and G, one string around per chord, and it fades out there till the very end. And that sums it up for G-Eazy's Fever Dream. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. I did, for fact. Yeah, if you want to support me, then I'm happy. So thank you for that, guys. Until next time, play tuned.